Hey YouTubers, this is John Swain, Chatterbait Captain on Instagram. I'm getting into the solar panel game and went on Amazon, looked at the reviews, did the research, and said let's start off with the 20 watt 12 volt. So this is Voltset, V-O-L-T-S-E-T. The 20 watt 12 volt panel that they offer is about 14 inches square. Comes really packaged good. I think it got no damage to it. This is, I have it out working right now. This is the solar panel. It comes with a very long, looks to be over 10-foot long cord. Has this aluminum framing with rubber edging. You put the bracket on. It's real easy with the fingers nuts. Has the connector. It's hardwired there. The specs are maximum power is 20 watts. The circuit voltage is 21.6. That's the open circuit. The short circuit is 1.15. Maximum power voltage is 18, and the maximum power current is 1.12. 3.74 pounds, really lightweight, but it's real sturdy. Doesn't look like it's scratchable too much. It looks very durable. You can adjust it, mount it. What I'm using it for right now is to charge up my trolling motor battery on my boat. I have two lithiums. The trolling motor battery is a 10 amp hour, and my trolling motor battery, fish finder's 10 amp hour, my trolling motor battery is 100 amp hour. So same charger charges both the batteries, but instead of buying two chargers at $100 plus, I said, let's get into solar game. I got a lot of sunshine out front, so let's see if it will charge up my 10 amp hour. I keep it in let me unhook it. This is the controller. It has 3 digital LEDs on it. The red one tells you that the panel is in the charging mode. The blue tells you that the panel has enough sun to go into a charging mode. And then the green button will come on when it's completely charged. If you, by any chance, connect this thing wrong, it will start flashing at you to let you know that you either have the leads backwards or there's a malfunction of some sort. Like I said, the packaging was very, very well made. No damage in the packaging. It comes where you can disconnect both the lead that goes to the panel and the lead that goes to the alligator clips. And it is well documented here. This goes to solar, this goes to battery. You can't, this is the solar panel, this is the solar, and you can't get the leads across because of the good connectors that they have. It comes with also a hard mount, a hard wiring. Just one second. I put it over in my bag. It comes also with the same connector, but the terminal leads for your battery that screws in. So if you want to permanently attach it and just unconnect it, that's one way of doing it. I do it with the alligator clips because I use it for more than one application. It allows me to move from one to the other. So what I'm using it for is this is the box, my utility box. I run my fish finder off of it, and it also has USB ports on it. So if I want to charge up my GoPro or I want to charge up my cell phone, I can always tap into that. But I've got it where it just plugs in. This connector plugs into my Garmin. You just have a positive terminal and a negative terminal. And the 10 amp battery is just a small 10 amp lithium battery I have. And even I'm sitting on the golf cart. This is the shade of the house with partly cloudy, sunny outside, as you can tell where the sun is, so I'm not in my direct sun. And the panel is telling me that my solar panel is in the charging mode, which means it's getting enough sun to charge. So all I have to do is connect the negative terminal to the negative alligator clip, and same for the positive. And now I'm charging. And when that battery gets charged, the green light for the charge will come on. So I'm able, instead of having to buy a big lithium battery charger for this battery and my trolling motor battery, I'm just using the house power for my big trolling motor battery, and this will charge up my fish finder battery. Like I said, I've just started into the solar. I'm thinking about seeing if I can find multiple of these that hooks up to a controller that I can put on top of my golf cart. If I put it up on top of the roof, I have a lithium battery, 48 volt, in my golf cart. When I go to play pickleball or I go to play cornhole, which is in the community property, I take the golf cart, it's parked out in the sun. I'm always charging, or at least I know that I'm have enough charge to get back home. There's a lot of hills in this neighborhood, so you'll drain half a battery if you ride around the neighborhood pretty good. So that's one application. The other application, I'm gonna put this on the boat, tie it directly into my trolling motor. And so while I'm running the trolling motor and it's sunny outside, it'll be trickle charging back into my battery. So instead of using, if the trolling motor's setting at 50%, instead of drawing to 50%, I'll be supplementing with this, so I may get 10% charge back put in. I have forgotten to charge my battery before, got out late, halfway from where I was fishing to the boat ramp, and ran out of battery and my trolling motor quit. So I figured with this on board, I can just plug it back into the battery, hang out for 30 or 40 minutes. I have enough charge to get me closer to the boat ramp. If I have to do that once or twice, it'll be well worth it than trying to paddle a big boat. Again, I'm John Swain, YouTube. I'll put the link down to Amazon. I'm gonna go in and put a review on their website. Again, that's Voltset, V-O-L-T-S-E-T. I'm gonna put the review on that, because from what I've used it's worked well. That battery charges up in direct sun really quick on that 20 watt. I didn't know what 20 watt was going to get me, but by the time that battery charges up, my small batteries charges up as well. But I'll leave the link to the Amazon. Like I said, it's my first try at solar panels, and I'm glad I did the research, and I'm glad I got this panel kit. See you later on YouTube.